Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders. I just got back from unexpected oral surgery. My mouth is numb. I can't speak. So I'm going to try to get this video out to you quickly. This video is coming at you on a Tuesday night for trading Tuesday night through Wednesday, 7/10/2025. This is Tuesday, right? No, it's Wednesday. This video is coming at you on a Wednesday for trading Wednesday night through Thursday, 7/10/25. Please remember the risks involved in trading. Put your stops in first. Never trade without protective stops. All right, traders, I got to be quick because, boy, my face is hurting and it's numb. And anyway, nothing goes straight up. See how up. Nice. Okay, down day. Up. All right, a little down segment. Up. Well, we're back into the ups again. E-mini S&P. We've got a green OMNI for trading on 7/10/2025. Nothing goes straight up, but it sure wants to. So the E-mini S&P looks good. Look at your NASDAQ. Your NASDAQ looks just as pretty. Look at this wonderful channel that's building. Right, very nice looking chart. Nice channel, holding in the channel. OMNI is green for trading NASDAQ. And then there was one more thing I wanted to see if I could get out to you. Take a look at Bitcoin. Look at your Bitcoin, kids. It is doing really, really well. And what really makes it exciting now is this. First of all, let me move this out from behind my camera. What really makes it exciting is this. Look, let me blow this up for you. We're out of the flag, baby. Look at that thing go. 121 coming all the way. I just want to make sure everyone's seen that. And now I'm going to go back to my obscurity. I think we're over here, right? Over here. Go back to my obscurity over here because I need to go rest my face a little bit. So, traders, I hope this helps you. Please like, share, and subscribe to these videos. Do that right now on YouTube. I'm always there. I put trades on YouTube or in my videos every night or just about. I'm always at livewithoscar.com. And there is an OMNI camp. It's happening at the end of this month. It is the last day of this month, the first 4 days of August. If you want to come, you got to go to OMNI Bootcamp right now. Go to omnibootcamp.com right now and fill out those applications. Otherwise, you're going to miss camp because it's right at the end of this month. Traders, that's about all I could give you. I got to go. Please remember this. Stops are in, emotions are out, and Oscar is out of here. I hope this helps you. Just wanted to give you a quick video so I could go rest. Thank you, kids. Have a great day trading out.